हेलो स्टूडेंट, इन दिस वीडियो मैं आपको बेटा SN2 रिएक्शन के बारे में एक्सप्लेनेशन दूंगा. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय SN2 रिएक्शन? SN2 2 means bimolecular, means two molecules. N means nucleophilic and S means substitution. So full name of this equation is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. In this type of reaction, two molecules participate in a single step. SN2 का मतलब ही बेटा ये होता है कि फर्स्ट स्टेप में ही दो मॉलिक्यूल पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. SN1 के अंदर अपन जानते हैं कि इन अ फर्स्ट स्टेप ओनली वन मॉलिक्यूल इज पार्टिसिपेट. सेकेंड मॉलिक्यूल एंटर इन द इक्वेशन इन अ सेकेंड स्टेप. सो SN2 में बेटा स्टेप ही होता है, इसलिए उसमें दोनों मॉलिक्यूल एक ही स्टेप में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. सो ओवरऑल व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय SN2? In SN2 equation, two molecules are participate in a single step. We take one example of this equation and explain to it. If we take a alkyl halide, CH3, CH2, Cl. This one is 1 degree alkyl halide. And aqueous KOH react with this alkyl halide. Aqueous KOH means KOH is situated in or mixed with water. So KOH is easily divided into K plus OH minus. And we know very well that chlorine have a more electronegative nature than carbon. So partial negative charge is developed at the chlorine and partial positive is developed at the carbon. Because shared electron between the carbon and chlorine shifted toward the chlorine. So बेटा आप सब जने जानते हैं कि कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एनी न्यूक्लियोफिलिक इजीली अट्रैक्ट टूवर्ड द कार्बन. सो इन दिस इक्वेशन OH is a nucleophilic, which one is attract toward the carbon. So OH can be substitute to the Cl in this equation. बट पहले तो अपन ये बात करते हैं बेटा 1 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड इजीली प्रिपेयर टू द कार्बोकैटायन. नो, बिकॉज 1 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन इज लेस स्टेबल देन द 2 डिग्री एंड 3 डिग्री. रीजन फॉर दिस, बिकॉज 1 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन हैव ओनली वन एल्किल ग्रुप, मीन्स ओनली वन एल्किल ग्रुप. इट मीन्स ओनली वन ग्रुप विच वन रिप्रेजेंट टू प्लस आई इफेक्ट, क्योंकि ये CH3 इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन तो प्रोवाइड करेगा, but only one alkyl is situated in it, while in a 2 degree and 3 degree 2 and 3 alkyl groups are situated. And this carbon is also known as a beta carbon. So 3 beta hydrogen situated in it, so only 3 hyperconjugation structure may be represented by the 1 degree alkyl halide. So beta carbocation is not formed if we take a 1 degree alkyl halide. So in a first step, CH3 CH2 Cl react with KOH. K is divided into K plus OH minus, and because of this CH3 CH2 Cl is also have a tendency to divide it into positive and negative ion. OH attract toward the chlorine. Because of this Cl remove from the OH attract toward the carbon, and because of this chlorine remove from the carbon, and this transition state is formed in this equation. If we draw to it, then 2 hydrogen combine at this carbon. This carbon is also known as alpha carbon, and one alkyl group is situated in it, and this one is a hybrid structure of this alkyl halide. Cl remove from the p orbit and OH is enter in this orbit. So this structure is known as a transition state. Chlorine is removed and OH is enter in a p orbit. And when OH remove the Cl, then again carbon represent to sp3 hybridization. So this one is a transition state. Transition state is available in only SN2 equation. Transition state is not stable in SN1 equation. So therefore OH substitute to the Cl, and according to this transition state we can also say that OH is always enter or always combine with the carbon in a opposite direction of the Cl. This one is also another topic. It's included in a stereochemistry, in which reaction racemic mixture is formed and in which reaction racemic mixture is not formed. But in this video मैं आपको ये नहीं बता रहा बेटा कि इन विच कंडीशन रेसमिक मिक्सचर इज फॉर्म, इसके लिए हम अलग से वीडियो के अंदर बात करेंगे. सो ओवरऑल OH सब्स्टिट्यूट टू दी Cl एंड KCl is a side product in this equation. K combine with Cl and form KCl, and final product in this equation is CH3 CH2 OH. So इस इक्वेशन में अपन ने देखा बेटा एल्किल हैलाइड एंड KOH react with each other and form alcohol, and KCl is a side product in this equation. So why this reaction is continue in only one step? Reason for this, because carbocation is less stable due to the 1 degree nature, and we know very well that 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. 1 degree is less stable than 2 degree and 3 degree, and two reasons are already given for this. Number 1 hyperconjugation, number 2 plus I effect. So I think बेटा ये SN2 equation आपको clear हो गई होगी. If you have any doubt, then write down in a form of comment. I will easily explain to you, ठीक है, with the help of another example. Okay बेटा, bye bye.